let me take the control and I will show you.
Yeah.
So do you see this one?
Yeah.
So this is for that zooming. So currently it
Okay.
starts from 6,000, but your values are like 6,500 and all. So when
Okay.
you start reducing this, let's say,
Another query is in this particular upper table, CPM versus R1 and S1. These all three lines, they are merged together. There has to be some appropriate distance. Whereas if I look at the figures are not that close. I don't know why this is showing, and it is
click on
not
the chart. Click on the chart. No, click on the chart, not on the line.
नीचे वाला
Upper chart.
upper chart. Okay.
So whenever you see things like this, very close, okay, what you can do you see this scale on the left side, 6K to 8K vertical scale on the y-axis?
Yeah.
You can use that, and then this will be like zoom in.
Where you found 6K and 8K?
Let me take the control and I will show you.
Yeah.
So do you see this one?
Yeah.
So this is for that zooming. So currently
Okay.
it starts from 6,000, but your values are like 6,500 and all. So when
Okay.
you start reducing this, let's start reducing this. You see? Now
Yeah.
the scale is much smaller. So now they are starting separating. They have started
Okay.
separating out. Okay. So you can decide now here everything is closed because all of them are together.
Yeah.
So this is how you can do. But after
Okay,
that,
this particular slider is not available for secondary y-axis.
no, it is only like first one, primary one. Only this one you might be having it. Okay. And always these zoom sliders. So zoom sliders here, secondary is off. You can see.
Okay.
You can switch it on.
Got it. Got it.
Okay. And generally, if you are so particular about this, then give a bigger space for that particular chart. That is the better solution.
Okay.
Okay. Give a bigger space for that particular chart.
Okay.
Increase the height, use it appropriately. Okay. That is the only way. Or like split your charts into multiple pages if they are not relatable, if they are not, if that is not important to look at them together. Okay. You have to optimize yourself.